Mastering culinary skills, exploring cooking techniques. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cooking techniques. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about culinary arts, understanding these terms can enrich your English vocabulary and your cooking skills. So, let's get started and explore the different techniques used in kitchens around the world. Cooking techniques refer to the various methods and processes used in preparing food. These techniques can range from simple to complex, each serving a unique purpose in the culinary world. They are the cornerstone of creating delicious dishes and play a vital role in defining the texture, flavor, and appearance of food. In this section, we will introduce some fundamental cooking techniques that are commonly used in kitchens. Grilling. Grilling involves cooking food on a grill, over direct heat. This method imparts a distinctive charred flavor and is perfect for meats, vegetables, and even some fruits. Baking. Baking is a technique where food is cooked through the application of dry heat in an oven. It's widely used for bread, pastries, and casseroles. Sautéing. Sautéing is a quick cooking method using a small amount of oil or butter in a pan over medium-high heat. It's ideal for cooking vegetables and smaller pieces of meat, giving them a golden color and rich flavor. Boiling. Boiling involves cooking food in hot water. It's a simple technique used for pasta, vegetables, and eggs. Steaming. Steaming cooks food with steam, usually from boiling water. It's a healthier cooking method as it preserves more nutrients and flavor. Sous vide. Sous vide is a method of cooking food sealed in airtight bags in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature. This technique ensures even cooking and retains moisture. Fermentation. Fermentation involves the chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast, or other microorganisms. It's used in making foods like yogurt, cheese, and sourdough bread. Smoking. Smoking is a process of flavoring and cooking food by exposing it to smoke from burning or smoldering material, usually wood. It imparts a unique smoky flavor to meats and fish. We hope this video has been informative and has helped enhance your understanding of cooking techniques in English. Remember, each technique has its unique charm and application, and knowing them can make your culinary journey even more exciting. Keep practicing your English and your cooking, and you'll be a language and culinary expert in no time. Happy cooking and learning!